pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
coconut new Cassels. Call that because they keep. For this you will need a small tin of condensed milk, 225 grams of desiccated coconuts, 1 teaspoonful of vanilla essence. Recipe from the official Geordie cookbook. Posh nosh for Geordies far and wide. Put the condensed milk into a mixing bowl, then add 1 teaspoonful 5 milliliters of vanilla essence. Now mix in the desiccated coconut. Now place teaspoonfuls of the mixture on a very well greased baking tray about 1 inch apart. Something like that. Bake for 10 minutes at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius, fan convection oven. After 10 minutes, put them straight onto a wire rack to cool. You should get around 33. And now for the taste test. They're slightly chewy, slightly condensed milk taste, and nice coconut. I'd give them a 16 out of 20 on this scrumptious scale. A bit too chewy for me.